What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Shiba Army, you guys are crushing it. Shiba Inu is going insane and absolutely breaking out. It just went up around 30%. Now it's having a little bit of a cool off, but this is a good sign going into the release of Shibarium, right? Shibarium, I think, is going to be the biggest catalyst Shiba has seen in a long time. So we're about to dive into that in this video. Please be sure to watch until the end. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you hold Shiba, and share the video. Share it all over X, Twitter, social media, you know, with your friends and family, guys. Let's dive right in. So right now, Shiba is at $5.5 billion in market cap, sitting with 468 million in 24-hour trade volume. We see this nice move to the upside, around a 30% move. Now we're seeing a bit of a cool off retrace, but it looks like it's ready to start to break out again from here, right? There's also the projects in the Shiba ecosystem that are also breaking out, like Bone and Leash, right? So if you want a lower cap project, let's take a look at the top memes in the space, man. If you want a lower cap project that still has a lot more upside as well, you could also diversify, maybe get the 3 projects in the Shiba ecosystem, which is Shiba, Bone, and Leash, right? Because they're sitting at lower market caps. Bone is at 384 million and Leash is at 55 million, and Bone will have a crucial role in the Shiba ecosystem when Shibarium, the layer 2, goes live for Shiba, right? This is some bullish stuff that, you know, I have to cover on the channel. Had to talk about it because you know, the Shiba Army has been around and you guys have been continuously crushing it, and you know, it's great to see. I think, you know, all the patience, all the diamond handing you've done will pay off going into the bull cycle. WS007, I'm bullish on Shiba. Come on, Shiba, do it. Become the bride of digital currencies this year as you were 2 years ago. Shiba, for this to reach 1 cent, Bitcoin has to go to 300k, or Shiba has to burn like 1/3 or half or more of the supply. No coins market cap can be greater than Bitcoin. 1 cent Shiba would push it to 5 trillion. Bitcoin is now at 500 billion. The difference, the thing is here, for what Don7 spoke about, the interesting part is, though, with Shibarium, you know, we're gonna dive into that. With Shibarium, there's going to be consistent burns of the Shiba supply with the Shibarium ecosystem. So it's going to be a burn factory, pretty much constantly reducing the supply of Shiba, right? The Shiba burns have been on a consistent basis, and with Shibarium, as long as the layer 2 takes off and people use the chain, like just how as much as they use Ethereum, we could see crazy burns for Shibarium, guys. If you take a look at ultrasound money, you take a look at Ethereum, for example, this is tracking the ETH supply and how much ETH is in circulation, how much ETH is being burnt. As you can see, right, from ultrasound money, 803,000 ETH is burnt per year, right? 803,000 ETH is burnt per year. If this keeps up, guys, as time progresses, ETH will go through the roof and potentially have, you know, one of the biggest bull runs, right? And the same could happen here for Shiba with Shibarium and its layer 2. Consistent burning with Shibarium will bring down the supply so much. Those, you know, the 001 target or the 1 cent target may not just be impossible anymore. Shiba already did the impossible in the past, and who's to say it can't do it once again, right? The Shiba Army consistently in the community tab. We also have an article right here. Let me make sure I have it pulled up correctly. Time for cooling off. The price rejected as a strong resistance. Here are the next support levels. Shiba has been making waves in the crypto industry recently, primarily due to the launch of Shibarium, and Binance's decision to list SHIB as collateral. Over the past week, the SHIB price has been riding a bullish wave with an impressive increase of almost 30%. However, the tide may turn in as the last 24 hours have been a decrease of almost 7%. This comes after the price failed to maintain strong resistance level, which was briefly breached on Saturday. Renowned Twitter analyst recently shared his insights on the situation. In his tweets, he advised potential investors to exercise patience as SHIB is currently at resistance. He suggested waiting for a daily closure of above 982 before considering a long position. This essentially means that investors should wait for the price to stabilize above this level before buying, as it could indicate a more sustainable upward trend, right? Adding to the discussion, Crypto Palace, another well-known trader, noted that SHIB bounced from the support level but was rejected at the major resistance of the 1000 area, as it was unable to close the daily candle above it. The support is at 905 to 915, and we may see a test of this area. He advised holders to maintain their long positions with a trailing stop loss, which could protect profits and potentially lock in gains for future price changes. In recent SHIB news, the token has some fluctuations. However, it's not all downtrend for SHIB. The token burn rate has seen a significant increase in the past 24 hours, with 62, just under 63 million tokens burnt, making a substantial 99.19% increase. 100% increase in the Shiba burning. This could potentially lead to a decrease in supply and an increase to the token's value over time. However, the past week's burn rate has decreased, right? But this week it has picked up, and I'm telling you, with the launch of Shibarium, there could be so much more. We could see 1000% increase in the burns when Shibarium goes live, right? The total supply of SHIB currently stands at 589 trillion. As always, investors are advised to keep a close eye on these metrics, as they can significantly impact the token value and their investment. The recent decrease in SHIB prices attributed to profit takers. In conclusion, SHIB has shown promising growth recently. Top analysts suggest we might be entering a consolidation phase. Investors are advised to exercise patience and closely monitor the resistance and support levels before making any moves. As always, it's crucial to stay informed and make decisions based on careful analysis. Remember, the crypto market is highly volatile. While the potential for profit is significant, so too is the risk, guys. So, nice read right there from She Bezos. This meme is why most will never get rich in crypto investing. When SHIB hits 1 cent 5 years from now, you won't care if you bought SHIB at these levels, right? 5 years from now, for 1 cent SHIB, imagine the smell, guys. Imagine how crazy that would be. How much people would finally be able to change their lives financially through Shiba. And I'm saying, what I'm really betting on or banking on for the success of SHIB is if Shibarium goes off without a hitch, and it's a chain that is used consistently. From Ali Dazar, finally those who have been patiently promoting and supporting and holding SHIB for years get what they deserve. Summer of Shibarium. This is just a start. SHIB Spain, the biggest bull run of all time, is coming. Get ready. SHIB, leash, and bone. Right? She Bezos, remember Doge, heard a million times that Doge would never get to 10 cents in 100 years. It was impossible. Guess they were all wrong. From zero, like 5069 in 2015 to 68 cents. SHIB to 1 cent soon. Fixed supply with everyday burning mechanism plus Shibarium. 5 trillion monthly burn. That's what they're saying for Shibarium, a 5 trillion monthly burn. That would be insane. Crypto like Shibarium, the optimistic strength of SHIB bull is in control to start the bullish run. Let's make some noise. Shibarium expected this August. Make sure you get Shiba. Every transaction on Shibarium will burn SHIB. That's reason why Satoshi Kusama said SHIB is in the center, right? 1 cent SHIB could potentially be happening faster than most people think with Shibarium. You know, even if there's a 1 trillion burn every month for SHIB, that's going to be insane, right? For Shibarium, like, because as the blockchain, as the layer 2 is used consistently for Shibarium, the amount of burns will increase. Developers of Shibarium could also create protocols on Shibarium specifically designed to burn SHIB. There's so much that could change the you know, the ecosystem for SHIB and increase its price action. So yeah, SHIB bone and leash, very bullish. You know, these are the memes you know, I really think because of the community and what's being done, you gotta have some type of exposure to, right? So if you hold SHIB, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.